Hey guys, and welcome back to another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to be talk about top 5 inventions which are done by mistakes. Let us dive into our content without wasting any time. Hello all, a hearty welcome to my channel. Number 1, the microwave oven. Lot of people commonly use this oven for making cakes, pizzas and lot of food items. But do you know the scientist who invented oven is already working on other products? Yes, the inventor of a microwave oven is Percy Spencer. Percy Spencer is an American physicist experimenting with a new vacuum tube named magnetron. While doing this experiment, he also conducted another experiment with popcorn and a candy bar. The candy bar in his pocket started to melt, where the popcorn began to pop. Spencer rapidly observed the process and made the first microwave named Radarange. It almost weighs about 750 pounds and its height is about 25 and a half feet, and it almost costs about $5,000. Number 2, the revolutionary vaccine penicillin. All of us know about the inventor of penicillin, Sir Dr. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish microbiologist honored with the Nobel Prize in 1945 for the invention of penicillin. Do you guys know this? Invention was made by a mistake made by him. Fleming is investigating of the properties of a bacteria in his lab. Suddenly he went to a trip with his family for a week. After arriving, the bacteria is stopped to expand their colonies. He keenly observed it through a microscope. He observed that some fungus stopping the growth of bacteria. By this clue, he started making penicillin. Firstly, he named that as penicillium. Later, it was called as penicillin. This vaccine saved a lot of soldiers in the time of World War II. The third one in the list is Coca-Cola. Well, this invention is not made by a mistake, but a brilliant idea by John Pemberton led to the invention of Coca-Cola. An American biochemist named John Stitt Pemberton used morphine to ease his pain from wound. He started researching on Coke. Firstly, the Coke is used as like a medicine. After Pemberton modified the Coke formula and brought it into market as a soft drink. Next up with X-rays. Can we imagine the world without X-rays? No, it's not possible. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, a physicist experimenting on a vacuum tube covered in cardboard. In his lab, he observed a mysterious light emitted from a chemical-coated screen. He was so confused and named those rays as X-rays. Once he kept his hands in the rays and he started to observe his bones. Then the first X-rays was evolved. The last one in the list is potato chips. Yes, George Crumb, a chef at the restaurant making fried potatoes. Customer advised to make fried potatoes as thinner as possible. Crumb neglected his words. After that incident, each and every customer started to ask George Crumb to make the slices thinner. George Crumb was so irritated and he was unable to control his anger and started to slice potatoes thinner and started to sell. Interestingly, every customer started to buy more, and he named those brilliant invention as potato chips. So this is the video, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.